Thank you for coming for my seminar. My seminar about planning, design, withdrawal area, cable on in the school project in the PT Telkom Akses Semarang. About PT Telkom Akses. PT Telkom Akses is subsidiary of PT Telekomunikasi Indonesia, engaged in the construction of the network infrastructure and managed service. PT Telkom Akses was established on December 12, 2012, and since then activity in the work of construction service including the deployment of broadband access network as lesser provision of network terminal equipment, as well as providing equipment, service management, service operation and maintenance, broadband access network. About the material that will be discussed. Internet. The Internet is form of abbreviation of the words that have meaning interconnection networking, relationship with various types of computer network system which includes forming the global configuration network with drop termination lines such as telephone, radio links, satellite and much more. At the operating system or internet network system using the JPEG or IP to manage the integration of computer and communication networks. B. Fiber optic. Fiber optic is a transmission line made of glass or plastics that is used to transmit light signal from one place to another. The line that is in the optical fiber is difficult because the refraction index of glass is greater than the refractive index of air. The light source used was a laser because the laser has a very narrow spectrum. The transmission speed of fiber optic is very high, so it is good to use as a communication channel. And C. AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a program which is used for a specific purpose in drawing and design with the help of computer models as well as in the formation of 2- and 3-dimensional size or more recognizable as computer-aided drafting and design program. This program can be used in all areas of work, especially in areas that require special skills such as the field of mechanical engineering, civil, architecture, graphic design, and all matters related with the use of CAD. Material for discuss. First, pointing location determination using Google Earth, pointing area cable line using GPS, and drawing design line of aerial cable draw using AutoCAD. First, pointing location determination using Google Earth. The picture above is an area cable withdrawal location data in the school project. The data described include two parts such as the condition of the location and condition of the process. The condition described is the starting location, address, until the coordinates of the location. With the condition of the process described is the information from the location, the processing time, and the extent to which the process takes place. Way to determine the coordinates of the location of withdrawal are as follows. First, do a search on the geographical coordinates of the point location of the school on the site can be good by opening the site and search for the name of the location of the school. Once found, right-click and select information from the source page. At the bottom of the page, there will be information that shows the coordinate of X and Y. The point X and Y are already found to geographical locate. The location on Google Earth application fed by point X and Y in the search field. Having entered the application will automatically deliver the location to point where the results are as shown in the picture below. This is picture. And second, pointing area cable line using GPS. In determining the path for the withdrawal of aerial cable required location survey, to determine how the condition at the location, the condition of a path that will be taken for the implementation of the withdrawal of the aerial cable. To get the ideal path planning is necessary to first design lines with pointing point the way from the central line to the location using the GPS. Then the result that have been obtained pointing point described into Google Earth. The level of adoption of broadband cabling manufacturing air begins to strip pointing point using GPS. GPS Garmin, GPS extract is full as in the picture below. This is picture about GPS Garmin extract time. Obtaining the pointing data from the survey using the GPS that had been previously extracted to the Google Earth. Application for display the location of the point that have been obtained from this point. We set up obtainable path by using the available filters on Google Earth in order to obtain the sound below. And brief, drawing design line of aerial cable withdrawal using AutoCAD. This is pictures. To start the design drawing withdrawal aerial cable lines, the first step that must be done is extract survey data pointing from setting in the GPS into AutoCAD. From the point source assembled in accordance with the predetermined set component as in the picture above. The first level of the working design is drawing the shape of the components of the point R. Then after all the component is drawn, connecting each component to the specific path after the last step is planning. The straight filming of the band with his nomination until the result of it will be prepared like the picture below. And is any question?
Ya, Mas tadi itu mengapa GPS yang dipilih GPS Garmin Attrax 10? Kenapa nggak yang lain?
Jawab pertanyaan dari Mas Galih itu kenapa dipilih GPS Garmin Extract 10? Karena pada GPS model Garmin Extract 10 sudah disempurnakan angka mukanya dan ditambahkan peta basis dunia, geocaching tanpa kertas dan didukung untuk aksesoris. Selain itu, fitur extract ini mampu menyimpan data dalam format JPX, yang mana format tersebut dapat dibuka dari semua jenis aplikasi yang ada di komputer.
Jadi universal ya, cuma
ya, data yang bisa. Mungkin yang lain, ya.
Saya lihat di slide terakhir ini, Mas.
Ya,
Di situ ada gambar menggunakan AutoCAD ya.
ya.
Itu bagaimana cara membuat jalur pada AutoCAD?
Itu pertanyaannya, langkahnya ya.
Iya.
Langkah dalam pembuatan desain tersebut, pertama membuat lingkaran yang berupa tiang dari desain tersebut. Kemudian segitiga untuk KTP. Setelah itu, setelah semua gambar tiang dan segitiga itu dibuat, kemudian dihubungkan dengan line. Selanjutnya dibuat jalan yang mengitari dari jalur penarikan tersebut. Gambar-gambarnya pun tersebut sudah ditentukan oleh pihak perusahaan, jadi sesuai ketetapan dari gambar tersebut. Mana tadi?
Jadi biasanya buatnya itu lebih banyak pakai line.
Iya, itu line itu maksudnya untuk menghubungkan jalurnya.
Oh ya.
Mungkin ada yang lain?
TCP IP itu sendiri.
Untuk definisi TCP/IP atau fungsinya?
Fungsinya.
Fungsinya. Baiklah, Mas Asmi. Fungsi dari TCP/IP pada sistem operasi internet untuk mengatur integrasi dan komunikasi jaringan komputer. TCP (Termination Control Protocol) bertugas memastikan bahwa semua hubungan bekerja dengan benar. Sedangkan IP (Internet Protocol) yang mentransmisikan data dari satu komputer ke komputer lain. Sehingga secara umum TCP/IP berfungsi memilih rute terbaik transmisi data, memilih rute atau memilih rute alternatif jika status rute tidak dapat digunakan. Nah, terus ada pertanyaan yang lain? Cukup.